Brad Mayo, Tom Sparks Auto, DeKalb, Illinois. Got a real nice one for you today. Got a 2012 Jeep Compass Latitude. Nice red pearl color, alloy wheels. You got a sunroof up on top, privacy glass around the back of the vehicle. Very clean car, 4x4. Got keyless entry into the car, and we got remote start. Very nice. Nice to have that in the winter time. Look at that, plenty of room. Those seats will fold down. Nice clean mats that come with the car. This is kind of cool. You got a Boston Acoustics radio system. Check that out. Isn't that neat how those things come down like that? Upgraded sound system. 4-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, clean auto check. Check out the back here. Nice ebony cloth, cup holders back here, power windows, door locks for the passenger, nice sleek dash line, AM, FM, CD, satellite radio, automatic shift, heated front seats, cup holders right there, nice center armrest with storage, cruise control on the steering wheel, buttons that tell you what's going on with the car on the steering wheel, info buttons, power windows, door locks, and mirrors for the driver, nice big analog gauges. Don't forget, you got that sunroof. Pop that baby open, let the sun shine in. Hey, what's this one missing? You need to get down here and buy this one. Please ask for Brad. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.